Hello everyone. Thank you for joining NUS CDE eOpen House today. My name is Sean and I'm a second year student in Infrastructure and Project Management or IPM. Before NUS, I studied Integrated Facility Management at Temasek Polytechnic and had several industry experiences. I interned at City Developments Limited, coordinating key handovers and defect rectification, assisted schools with sustainability analysis at BCA, and worked as a facilities management officer at Mount Elizabeth Novena Hospital, coordinating maintenance, procurement, and contracts. I am also staying on campus at Ridgefield Residential College. What drew me to IPM was its interdisciplinary nature. I didn't want a program focused on just one area. I wanted to understand how infrastructure projects come together in real life. In IPM, we study law and management. This photo is of the Supreme Court, which I visited to see the concepts of contract law and decision-making in action. It reinforced how these principles shape real projects. Digital technology and building modeling also stood out. My group built a building model in Rhino to test how design choices affect energy performance, and we got hands-on experience with robots and drones. Cost management and finance appealed to me too, showing how projects are measured, priced, and controlled. Finally, sustainability ties everything together. In this project, my group compared building sustainability performance across cities, highlighting factors that influence planning, design, and management. Altogether, IPM reflects how projects work not in silos but through collaboration across disciplines. Another big part of IPM is the people. The cohort is relatively small and close-knit, so it's easy to recognize familiar faces and support one another. Our professors also have industry experience, and because the cohort is smaller, they actually know you as a person, not just by a metric number. That makes discussions much more meaningful. The Department of the Built Environment, or DBE, adds support through peer tutoring for selected courses, wellness events, and career talks, building both community and industry exposure. Overall, IPM really feels less like a program and more like a supportive community. IPM also offers strong global exposure. Some of my friends went on winter exchange to Hanyang University in Korea, where they experienced both academic life and local culture, while others have attended partner universities such as in Canada, mapping courses back to NUS. These opportunities are possible because IPM equips us with transferable industry-relevant skills such as project management, cost awareness, digital tools, and sustainability thinking. That applies across different urban contexts. For me, my upcoming exchange to City University of Hong Kong is especially exciting as IPM has trained me to analyze infrastructure beyond Singapore and compare how different cities manage their built environment. Outside of IPM, I served as the Academics Director of the Building and Estate Management Society. We organize site visits to organizations like JTC, Singtel, and Obayashi, and interviewed industry professionals for our newsletter, giving students direct exposure to the built environment industry. The most fulfilling part was seeing the impact. Students gaining clearer career direction, and in some cases, securing internships through these opportunities. I also made time to enjoy student life at NUS. I ran my first 10 kilometers with Run NUS, earned my 1-star kayaking certification, volunteered, attended student dialogues, and recently started beginner Muay Thai. These experiences helped me stay balanced and build resilience. DBE also offers awards and scholarships. Amongst other awards, I was awarded the IPM Study Award and the Wohub Scholarship, which helped ease financial burdens and allowed me to focus on academics and contribute to the community. Opportunities are always available for students who stay proactive and engaged. To find out more about IPM, feel free to scan this QR code to join our mailing list and follow our social media channels. IPM has shown me that a career in a built environment goes beyond technical knowledge. It's about managing people, processes, sustainability, and technology to create real impact. I aspire to become a project manager in the building and construction sector, applying what I have learned to deliver efficient, people-centric projects. If you enjoy working with people and solving real-world problems, I encourage you to consider IPM. I hope this sharing gives you a clearer picture of life as an IPM student and I look forward to welcoming some of you to the community. For further information, you may scan the QR codes to find out more about IPM and CDE admissions. Thank you.